Okay guys, since we have done with the user interface for our bio page, we now need to develop the backend so we will be able to send the biography to the server, save it, and then retrieve it back to the user of the app. Okay, we will now go to our PHP development environment, which is in my case it's an NetBeans. We'll go to access.php because we need to write another function which will be the same like updating the image URL but updating the bio. Okay, here I write function update bio, and here we will make it to reference variable which will be id and which will be a bio itself, open and close round bracket. This function updates bio in the server. Okay, first we need to declare the SQL command. We'll write $SQL equals to, in the quotation marks, we'll write update users set buyer equals to question mark where id equals to question mark. This is what we're doing. Okay, and don't forget to put semicolon at the end. And the next we want to check this, that we want to prepare the statement. Statement equals to, let's prepare the connection. This con equals prepare SQL command to be executed. Prepare SQL command to be executed. Here we are declaring SQL command. Okay, so since we prepared the statement, we want to check, are there any errors? If in the round brackets and an exclamation mark, we'll write statement, open and close curly brackets, then we'll want to throw new exception. And in the round brackets, we'll write statement dash error related to the statement. Here we'll write if error occurred while preparing the statement to be executed. Okay, if there are no errors, then we want to assign parameters to the prepared SQL command. We write statement error bind parameters. Here in the quotation marks we'll write string and integer because our ID is of type integer. That's the one, it's integer. So first it's a string where ID it's integer. Okay, here then we put comma and we put variables. First for string it will be bio, then it will be ID. Don't forget semicolon at the end. So then we want to access result of this execution. So we create a new variable, result equals to statement arrow execute. And don't forget semicolon at the end as usual. And we want to return this. Return result. Excellent. Here we are returning result of execution. Okay, so this is the command which will allow us to update the SQL command on our server. So the next step will be to create a protocol for the full biography update. Let's go and do this.